How can I cash in gold bullion? StockMaven. With the popularity of cryptocurrency and other digital forms of stocks and trading taking off in recent years, many seem to have forgotten about one of the original forms of trading. Gold is considered to be one of the most important precious metals around the world and is still fairly well sought after, especially gold bullion, which is considered to be one of the purest forms of gold on the market. This is the question that we are going to cover for you today. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about cashing in your gold bullion to get physical cash. We'll also talk about all the laws that you will need to be aware of, and when you will need to report that you've cashed in your gold for physical money. The best way to cash in your gold bullion, whether that be as a gold bar or as a minted coin, is to contact a reputable buyer. You will need to submit an estimate of what you think your gold bullion is worth based on the weight of your gold. It will be best to go with a reputable company such as this one rather than pawn stores or jewelry stores. This is because they will generally need to sell the gold bullion for a profit, so they need some wiggle room in what they offer you so that they can make this profit. So before you do try to cash in your gold bullion, it will be very important to do your research beforehand. Do banks accept gold bullion? If you feel reluctant to send your gold bullion to a company that you've not really heard of before in the mail, you may feel tempted to look for other options, such as taking your gold bullion to the bank. However, the vast majority of banks no longer accept gold. This is because the introduction of fiat currency altered the interest when it comes to precious metals such as gold. Out of all the banks in America, your best bet will be to take your gold bullion either to a commercial bank or a cooperative bank. How much gold can I sell without reporting? It's important to know that if you sell gold that reaches over a certain threshold, you will be required to report it so that you can be taxed on this amount. This is because the IRS considers gold to be a collectible, which means that the more valuable it is, the more tax will need to be applied to a transaction. You will need to pay tax on the profit that you have made from selling your gold bullion. In summary, and there you have it. Despite knowing so much about the system and the different ways you can use it to your benefit, I still found the transition rather difficult.